Hello, we are going to see today how to create a new vendor for a new company. Let's see, if we are converting our manual accounting system to new computerized accounting system, we must have the balances of a particular number of suppliers. Alright, so if it is so, how we can create? In the main window, we can see the mainly it is divided into 5 major sections. The first section is the vendor. Under this vendor sections, you can see the term is vendor. This is the button. It is highlighted here. Click on this vendor. When you click this vendor, the submodules are appearing here. Right under that, you can see over there the new vendor. When you click the new vendor, there are two informations are available. One is new vendor, and the second one, add multiple vendors. This means if you are having 5 suppliers, once you click this add multiple vendors, you can feed all 5 suppliers basic informations. Unless if you are going to create a vendor one by one, what you can do, click on this new vendor. Once you click this new vendor, right, what you have to do it, you can see the main window is appearing here, right? For example, here you have to feed the vendor information. For example, the vendor name. Just I am going to give you one example. XYZ Private Limited. This XYZ Limited is the private limited company which is supplying all computer accessories to our company. So at that time we converting the manual accounting to new computerized system. For example, January 1st, the day is we are converting our manual accounting to new computerized system. At the time, the opening balance was 150,000. For example, 150,000 was the opening balance. Right, let's see. When you see, there are 3 main tabs are available. One is address info. This is called address information. And additional information, account free fill. If you click this address information, for example, we have to give this a company legal name. For example, the same name, XYZ Private Limited. Okay, and so this is the company name is here, but someone will be in charge. Particularly, for example, if you are going to contact sales manager, so we have to give the sales manager information. For example, Mr. Peter. Peter is in charge for sales. All right, and we can give this last name also, right? And the company address is placed here. You can put here, for example, 135 Gold Road, right, and Colombo 5, right? So this is the address information, and even the detail about this company also we can give in address detail, and the contact. So this is the detail. Once you click, state the province, or for example we can give the Western province, and zip code, or the zip code of the particular area I'll put here, and the country Sri Lanka. And if you have any note, even you can give that a note also, right? So this is the information is given, right? For example, if the Peter is not available, and other you can put another name also, or else you can give his contact number also, right? Contact number, mobile number. For example, not 77, right? This is the mobile number, and the company telephone fixed line number you can give, right? 011284. Okay, this is the number, and the same one may be the fax number, so you can give the fax number maybe the same. And if there is any alternative phone number, you can give if you have the alternative phone number, and also alternative contact number, right? For example, this is the actual contact number, and alternative contact number you are going to give this next to the line manager number, and you can give their email, for example xyz info, right, xyz.com, right? So this is what. And if you are maintaining any copy informations, copy to someone, for example managing director or say or procurement manager, you can give this information also, no problem, right? And the next button is additional informations. Additional informations, when you click additional information, this may be categorized, and by default it is available. There are two main types are available. One is a type, and the second one is terms. First, the particular customer, particular supplier is, for example, who is supplying supplies or suppliers, right? So we can click the supplier, and the terms, what terms we prefer, right? We can prefer the terms, for example 1%, 10, net 30. This mean, for example, this mean, right, 1%, 10, net 30. If your company, if your ABC Private Limited company may settle the outstanding. For example, the supplier is giving you 30% credit term. Within the term, you can pay the outstanding for the particular invoice, right? But particularly the company XYZ company is giving some preference to you. If you pay the bill amount or invoice amount before 10 days of your invoice date, you will be eligible to enjoy 1% discount for the particular invoice, right? But the company is giving you 30 days credit period, right? This is the maximum period that the company is giving to you. So this is the term. And in addition to that, the account fill information. This is basically it's connected to some other expenses account. Okay, at this point we don't want to put this account pre-filled information, and now you can click OK. If you just click OK, you will notice that the created supplier accounts is available in the system, right? So once you click in such a way, if you have 3 more suppliers, you can create all the suppliers. So this is the total value. For example, XYZ Private Limited balance was 150,000, right? And Kumar Private Limited balance was 100,000, right? And the Peter Private Limited balance was 50,000. Altogether 300,000. Let's say this, for example, 300,000 total value. So this total value will be connected to the supplier control account. Initially we have created only one supplier. Okay, I'm going to create the second supplier also. If you want to create the second supplier, again you have to click new vendor and click vendor, new vendor, and from this what you have to do it, you have to fill all the information relevant to this second supplier. For example, Peter Private Limited, right? The particular company outstanding was 100,000. Let's say 100,000, right? So this is the amount, 100,000 was the balance. Next you have to put the legal name of the company, right? Private limited, okay, sorry, PVT limited, and write it is Mr. and the first name also the Peter, right, the name in charge for that company, and you can give the full detail of the address, right, Gold Road, again the same, right, Gold Road, Colombo 4, right, and right, this is the additional informations we have to fill here, the address informations, for example Western, right, and zip code, you can put the zip code, country or region Sri Lanka, and if you have additional information about the note, you can put the note, click OK, right. And additionally, the same way that we have given the information like XYZ private limited, we have to give the information about the purchasing or sales officer informations. Right here, what we can do, we can give the sales officer or sales manager informations. For example, Kumar is the sales manager, and you can give his mobile number, not 77, right, I have given the mobile number, and the company fax number, okay, and the same things as a alternative number, right, no alternative number, and if you have any other alternative contact number you can give, and also email even you can give, right. For example, Peter info at peter.com, right, okay. Then you have to move to the additional informations. Under that, under the additional informations, what you have to give the account number, for example supplier account number, if he has the bank account, right, for example I'll give this informations, and the account type, for example you can give the account type is supplier, right, and the same way you can put the terms and condition. The term and conditions we already put 1% 10 net 30, and we can give this a 2% net 30. And for example, I have forgotten to put the credit limit to supplier, right. So the credit limit mean, for example, if you are making the business with you are dealing the business with your particular supplier, the supplier can give you, right, a credit limit, right. For example 500,000 is the credit limit for your company. For your company is 500,000. So this is the 500,000. Within that only the limit is restricted, okay, account free fill, and click OK. So once you click both, you can notify there are 2 suppliers informations are available. So this is the way that we can create many number of suppliers.